everyone, again welcome. Today we are showing you amazing and beautiful handcrafted ideas, beautiful felt craft ideas, nature cycle, growth, reuse and harmony. When you create the natural materials, you align with that rhythm, transforming your space into a reflection of calm, grounded. You can make very beautiful and amazing crafting ideas, X-Mix ornaments, table centerpiece, cover of bottles, rustic coasters and trays, wall art and hanging ornaments. Very beautiful felt craft ornaments you can create with your own mind. Very beautiful and amazing designs and natural ideas. We are exploring colorful world of felt craft creations, one of the most loved and trending DIY ideas for X-Mix homes and decor. Felt is fun, flexible and full of possibilities. Whether you are crafting ornaments, garlands, dolls or table decor is a perfect material to express your imagination and creativity. Let's begin this mindful journey into DIY felt crafting where art meets warmth and handmade beauty. Felt crafting is the art of cutting, stitching and shaping soft felt fabric into decorative items. It's non-woven textile made from wool or synthetic fibers that's easy to handle. No fraying, no edges, no to finish. You can make X-Mix ornaments, handmade toys and dolls, flower bouquet, wall hanging garlands, wreath, and very beautiful stars, houses, keychains, bookmarks, and home accessories. It's beginner friendly, affordable, and filled with joy. Before you start, gather these simple materials. Colorful felt sheets, scissor and fabric glue, thread and needles, optional for stitching details, cotton or fiber filling for 3D craft, button ribbons or beads for decoration, and most importantly, creativity and patience. Choose soft pastel or traditional X-Mix colors, red, green, white or gold for a festive vibe. Crafting with felt isn't just about making decoration, it brings many benefits for your mood and creativity, mindfulness and relaxation, cutting and shaping. Felt helps reduce stress and improve focus. Creativity boost. Designing your own patterns builds imagination and artistic confidence. Family bonding, a perfect craft to enjoying with kids and loved ones during holiday. Affordable and profitable, great for small craft business and home decor seller. Eco-friendly choices, felt made from natural fibers is sustainable and reusable. Each piece you make reflects your personality, patience and love for handmade art. Now let's explore
Hello viewers again.
Beautiful. Now let's explore some fun felt ideas for your X-Mix decor 2036. Felt ornaments, cut stars, snowflakes or heart shapes. Sew 2 layers together, fill with cotton and add a ribbon loop. Simple yet adorable. Create mini stockings for gifts or large ones for your fireplace. Decorate your buttons, lace or beads for their personal touch. Make small felt candle mats, coaster or napkin holders to match your X-Mix theme. Felt garlands. String colorful shapes together to hang on walls, doors or trees. Add instant charm to your home. Felt Santa or reindeer dolls. Soft, cute and festive, perfect for kids' rooms or X-Mix gifts. Felt crafting is not only creative, it's therapeutic. As you design each piece, you slow down, breathe deeply, and focus on the joy of creating something by hand. It brings mindfulness and peace. A small act of art that fills your space and positivity and warmth. You are not just making decor, you are making memories and meaning. Felt crafts are also a wonderful way to start a small business or share handmade gifts. You can sell felt ornaments, garlands, or soft toy online or at local markets. People love buying items that are handmade with love. It gives a personal emotional connection. You can even make custom gift set for birthday, wedding, or festive seasons. Eco-friendly, affordable, and heartwarming. And that's the beauty of felt crafting: simple material, endless creativity, and pure joy. Thank you for joining the creative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more DIY handmade ideas and festive inspiration. Keep crafting with love and remember every stitch tells a story, and no two pieces are same if you made with your heart. It's a unique happy crafting, happy festival 2026 New Year. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you be a part of this journey. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. And may your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, charm, and many more. Do you want what you want to have in your life?